from the videos you've seen from YouTube, Nathan41,000. Here it is, the mysterious ticking noise. Who? What is that mysterious? Somehow noisy, weird noise. That's over here. Not that. Not Mark.
Wow!
It's kinda catchy. Eddie. Eddie the polar Eugene Chipmunk. Eddie the polar Eugene Chipmunk. Eddie the polar Eugene Chipmunk. Eddie. I don't know my line. Eugene at all. Eddie Perry, Jane Dart. I don't know what to say. Me either day. Eddie Perry, deep Davis, Jeff, Gene Adore, Eddie Perry, Eugene, Eddie Perry, Eugene, Eddie Perry. What's going to happen now? Bessie, Eugene Adore, Eddie Perry, Bessie, Gene, Eddie Bessie, Eddie Perry, Bessie, Eugene, Eddie Perry, Bessie, Eugene. Oh, I'm Francis. Yeah, I'm Francis. Yeah. Yes, I'm Francis. You in your face. Eddie Perry, Francis is rocking. Everybody get out of my way, yeah. Francis, Eddie, Eugene! Bessie, don't! Everybody, we are having so much fun somehow here. We like to sing along, singing a song all day long. Guess Nathan41,000, you do the count. I found this was the ticking. It's a cow, girl. Yay! You Kyle, that caterpillar. Wait a second, that wasn't a bomb. Uh-oh. Thank you for watching.